Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Understanding radiator temperatures. How hot does a radiator get? Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Today, we're turning up the heat, quite literally, as we delve into the world of radiator temperatures. Ever wondered just how hot your car's radiator gets? Buckle up as we dive into the science behind this essential component. Greetings, everyone. You might not think about it often, but your car's radiator plays a crucial role in maintaining your engine's health. Let's demystify those soaring temperatures and understand what's really going on beneath the hood. The radiator is like your engine's best friend. It keeps it cool under pressure. As your engine generates heat during operation, the radiator steps in to dissipate that heat and prevent your engine from overheating. Think of it as a heat exchanger. Hot coolant from your engine circulates through the radiator's intricate network of tubes and fins. As air passes over these fins, the heat is transferred away, allowing your engine to maintain an optimal operating temperature. Now, let's talk numbers. Radiator temperatures can vary, but on average, the coolant entering the radiator from your engine can be as hot as 200 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 to 104 degrees Celsius. It's like boiling water, folks. But don't worry, your radiator is designed to handle these high temperatures without breaking a sweat. As the coolant flows through the radiator, the air passing over the fins cools it down. This process can bring the coolant's temperature down to around 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 to 82 degrees Celsius, before it circulates back into the engine to absorb more heat. It's like a cooling dance between your engine and the radiator, keeping your car's power plant performing at its best. Many modern cars come equipped with an engine temperature gauge or warning light. This helps you monitor your engine's temperature and avoid potential overheating issues. So, the next time you start your car and hear that familiar hum, remember that your radiator is working hard to maintain those optimal temperatures. Regular maintenance, like checking for leaks and ensuring proper coolant levels, will ensure your radiator continues to keep its cool. And that's a wrap for today's exploration. If you found this information enlightening, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more automotive insights.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos.